product for a review, and I may earn commission from this video. So today it is a wireless keyboard. So I'm excited for this. I love everything wireless because it's really easy to use. Nice soft area right down here, so when you're typing, you have that soft, really like it has some squish to it for on your wrist and your arm. You have all your keyboards right here. Here you have your on and off, so it's going to show you different things right there. You're going to turn this on and off. And then on the back, you're going to have your area right here. But this is your receiver where you're going to put onto your computer, your laptop, whatever you're using it for. You have an area right here where you're going to go ahead and open this. And then you're going to add, it's going to take 2 AA batteries. So you're going to put your batteries right in there. This thing right on the side, now it already detected my keyboard. So here I can start typing, if you can see right there. I love that this soft area right here, it's really nice and comfortable. And I love how it's designed over here like this. So it's really nice for typing.